Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home and doing your work regularly. So, students, today we will do one such topic which you already have done in your previous classes, and that is informal letter. Students, you already have done this topic in your previous classes, and before the explanation of this letter, I just want to tell you the difference between the formal letter and the informal letter, because there are two types of letters in English, in every language. One is formal and the second is informal. Formal, so students, I hope you all have very well known about the formal letters. The formal letters means the formality, wherever you have to do some formality. Clear? Like formal letters always always write to any officials, if you are writing a letter to your school principal, that is formal letter. If you are writing a letter any high authority in any office, then that is also a formal letter. Or if you are writing a letter to the municipal corporation, then it will also be a formal letter. Clear? So wherever you have to do some formalities, that is formal letters. Clear? But in informal letters, there is no need to do any formality. So in this video, I am going to discuss informal letter format. Then how to write informal letter in a proper way. So first of all, students, I want to tell you that informal letter is a letter which is written to your friends, family and relatives. Clear? Means informal letters are always used to write for personal purposes. Clear? So in these letters, the best thing is that you have to use very friendly and the casual language, because it is written to that person to whom you know very well. Means हम ये लेटर उस इंसान को लिखते हैं जिसे हम बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. That can be your friend, that can be your father, mother, brother, sister or your relative, uncle, aunt, means like. Clear? So you know very well. Now let's discuss the format. So students, today I will discuss a sample format to write the informal letter. Clear? So students, first of all, there should be a sender's address at the top. Sender's address. Who is the sender here? Yes, you are the sender here, because भेजने वाला कौन है? आप लिख रहे हो letter, it means you are the sender. Clear? So students, here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that is the address should be in 2 lines or 3 lines only. Not more than 3 lines you can use to write the address. Clear? Means the address can be written in 2 or 3 lines only. Clear? In the first line you have to write the name of the colony. In the second you can write the street number and the house number, and in the third you can write the name of the city and the pin code. Is that clear? Wherever you from where you are sending that letter. Is that clear? And after that, leave one line, and then there should be the date, on which date you are writing that letter. Suppose today is 15th of May, then you will write the date 15th May. Is that clear? The date should be the same on which you are writing that letter. And after that, the format to write, how to write the date, I will explain in the written format whenever I will explain the written format. Clear? And after that, leave one line. After leaving one line, there should be the salutation. Salutation means to whom you are writing the letter, that should be denoted by dear. So whenever you are writing the salutation, there should be a word dear is used. Is that clear? I hope you have cleared. यहाँ तक आप सबको समझ में आ गया? Clear? Then after that, leave one more line. After the salutation, there should be a blank line. Then the body of the letter. Body of the letter means the question which you have given, on which you are writing that letter. Clear? मीन्स आपको जो क्वेश्चन दिया गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने यहाँ पे अपनी बॉडी मीन्स द कंटेंट यू हैव टू राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड स्टूडेंट्स, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that is the main body is of 3 parts, is divided into 3 parts. Main body is divided into 3 parts. One is introduction, the second is content, and the third is conclusion. So in introduction you can use sentences like how are you. You can use the words like I received your letter. Means the purpose you have to mention why you are writing this letter. Is that clear? And in content, it totally depends on the question. Totally depends on the question means कि आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया क्या गया है, पूछा क्या गया है. You have to write the content according to the given question. You have to write content according to the given question. It should be 80 to 100 words only. And the last part is the conclusion, means the concluding part. It means it depends to whom you are writing that letter. For example, suppose you are writing a letter to your friend. So you can conclude like pay my regards to dear uncle and aunt. Suppose you are writing a letter to your father, then you will finish the letter, conclude the letter like pay my regards to dear mother and love to, अपने छोटे भाई बहन का नाम बता के आप लिख सकते हो, love to Neha. Clear? And after that instead of this line you also can write give my love to your mom and dad. अपने माता पिता को मेरा प्यार देना. Is that clear? After the main body you will leave one more line. एक लाइन और छोड़नी है आपने. And after that you will write yours lovingly. Clear? And after that name. After that name. If you are writing a letter to your friend, then you can write yours loving friend. If you are writing a letter to your father, then you can write yours loving daughter or son. Then the name is of yours. Obviously you are writing this letter, so your name should be here. So students, I hope you all have cleared the format of the letter, informal letter. Now we will discuss how to write the letter. Is that clear? So let's move on. So students, I hope you all have cleared the format. Now I will tell how to write the letter. So students, in the format I have explained the address, and I already told you the address should be of 3 lines or 2 lines, not more than 3 lines you can use for the address. Like here I have written 23 Keshav Nagar. Clear? This is the name of the colony. Then the house number 590. This is the sign of house number. Clear? 590, and the street number is 15. And after that I have written the name of the city, Moga. Clear? You can write any address whichever is in your mind on that time whenever you are writing a letter. So you can write any address. Don't need you need no need to cram the same address which you have written in your notebooks. Is that clear? And after that leave one line. I already told you, leave one line after the address. Clear? So then the date. Students, in English always you have to write date like this. You can't write date like 15/5/2020. This is wrong method to write the date. Clear? This is the right method. Whenever you are writing a letter in any English language, in any English part, then you have to write like a date, write like this. Clear? and after that leave one line. Then the salutation, I already have told you the salutation always starts with dear, because you are writing this letter to your friend, so, and your friend's name is Pooja, so you will write dear friend Pooja, or you can write dear Pooja. फ्रेंड इज मीन्स यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपने फ्रेंड वर्ड लिखना ही है, यू जस्ट कैन राइट डियर पूजा और डियर फ्रेंड. Clear? And after that, in introduction, leave one line. And in introduction, I already told you, you can start words like how are you, I am fine here, hope you are fine there. Clear? This will be the introduction. Clear? These words you can use to start the introduction in the informal letters. Clear? Students, you can see at any place, have we used any formal word? No, we haven't used any formal word in the informal letters. Clear? After that, the content. Content, I already told you how to write the content. Content according to the given question, means the question which you have given, according to that you have to write the content. Clear? And कंटेंट मीन्स आप 2-3 लाइंस में कंटेंट के बारे में बताओगे कि आपको लेटर किस पर्पस के लिए दिया गया है, तो आपने उसमें वो चीज़ मेंशन करनी है. क्लियर? एंड आफ्टर दैट in the concluding paragraph, I already told you how to write the concluding paragraph. Pay my regards to your mother and father. Obviously, if you are writing a letter to your friend, then you have to mention pay my regards to your mother and father, कि अपने माता पिता को मेरा बहुत बहुत सम्मान देना, आदर देना. Clear? And after that leave one line and then yours loving friend. Clear? If you are writing this letter to your father, then you will write yours loving son or daughter. If you are a girl, then you will write daughter. If you are a boy, then you will write son. Clear? And after that the name of yours, because you are writing this letter, so the name should be here of yours. Is that clear? So students, I hope you all have cleared the format and how to write how to start the informal letter, and I hope you all will implement this format in your letters. So if you have any confusion in your mind, then you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.